Hey guys, this is King Mean, aka Pretty Cool Guy, also known as Empty Ways on YouTube. Check it out, I just want to stop by real quick and show you what I bought. I bought Alienware and I bought some capture card, Elgato. At least that's what Cypher told me to buy, so I bought it. Yeah, so now I can do stuff my own. I can stream games and stuff and all that fun stuff. So let's go to the other view and let's unbox this. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this is a massive box. Bam. That's my nephew in the background. You know, just babysitting him, taking care of him. Because don't know where his daddy is. Okay, so now let's unbox this. Woo, Uncle Bean is pretty cool.
Uncle Chewy.
Alright, so here we go, Ooh, take a look at this. You can't see nothing. Alright. Alright, Kava. Calm down. Alright, check it out. Ooh. That's nice. You'll see it, kid. That's nice. Let me take it out of the box. Ooh. Yeah. This one. Oh.
It's like special, yeah, but I can hold it every morning.
Hold on. Okay. Alright. Let's pull this out. Ooh. It's pretty nice. It's about 4 point something. About 5 pounds. So, yeah. And it comes with stuff in there. I don't know what that is. I'll look at it later. I just want to look at the main thing over here. Yeah, that actually looks pretty sick. It's like a silver touch. And there's the back. Ooh, that's a lot of good stuff for the air ventilation, I think. And then there's more on the side. That's pretty slick. I like it. Nice and sturdy. It feels like... Am I... Nope, I'm opening it right. Let's see. What? I like that. What is that? Speakers? I like that speakers. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it. It's a laptop. All right, let's see. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Not even a review. It's just a quick unboxing. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.